We are still on 2023 National Common Entrance Examination past questions. And in this part 2, the first question that we have here says, find the odd number between 17 and 34 that is a multiple of what? Of 11. The ones that are multiple of 11, okay? Remember that they say between 17 and what? 34. So the multiple of 11 that we have there is what? 22 and the what? 33. Now, the one that is an odd number is 33. So answer to this question is option E. We move to question number 2. We are asked to find the sum of what? The square root of what? 625 and the what? Square of 9. Now, square of 9 means 9 power 2. And 9 power 2 means 9 multiplied by 9, which is what? 81. Then, square root of 625 means a number that will multiply itself 2 times, that will give us 625, which is 25 multiplied by 25. Okay, which is what? 25. So what I will do now is I will add this, because what they said is what? The sum. So when you add this together, it will give us 106. 81 plus 25, 106. We move to question number 9. We are asked to express 8 minutes in centimeters. Now, 1 minute is equivalent to 100 centimeters. Okay, so what it means is that 8 meters will be 8 multiplied by 100. It will give us 800. So answer to this question is option E. We move to question number 10. What we have here is what? How many minutes are there in 36 hours? How many minutes are there in what? In 36 hours. Now, 1 hour is equivalent to what? To 60 minutes. Therefore, 36 hours will be 36 multiplied by 60. It will give us 2160. Then in question number 11, we have Victor bought a blue pen for what? For 50 naira. That is CP is equal to 50 naira, which is Nigerian currency. The selling price, according to the question, is what? Is 30. Meaning that Victor incurred what? Loss. And the loss is always CP minus selling price. That is cost price minus selling price, which is 50 minus 30. It will give us 20. Then percentage loss is always what? Loss as amount over what? Cost price multiplied by 100 over 1, which is 20 over what? 50 multiplied by 100 over 1. Now 50 into 50 is 1. 50 into 100 will give us what? 2. 2 multiply 20. It will give us what? 40%. So answer to question number 11 is 40%. Now for question number 12, the question says that if a man earns 33,000 naira, which is Nigerian currency per month, and spend 1 over 3 of his salary on bill, how much does he have left? So what we're going to do there is what? 1 over 3 of 33,000 naira, which is 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into this will give us what? 11,000. 11,000 multiplied by 1 will give us 11,000. So answer to this last question is 11,000 naira, which is Nigerian currency. Please, like I always tell you, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you try and do so that you will get notification when I upload new videos. And if you are watching me from Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, you give my page a follow. See you in my next video. Bye bye.